Hi, Timpaholic, Gold Star Mortgage. Hope all is well and this video finds you well. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something that's very important to me, but also will help benefit anybody searching for a mortgage, whether it be a purchase, a refinance, first-time home buyer, whatever it may be, is how to search for a loan officer. And more importantly, what should you look for in a loan officer? What should you expect? Number one, where I would say to start searching is, you could start at your local bank, credit union, whatever it may be, um, and then just do a simple Google search for lenders, and you'll be able to find loan officers. You might recognize some names of banks in your areas, or you might find independent people. And also ask around, ask your friends and family, anyone that's purchased a home. Um, your real estate agent who you're working with. Hey, do you have any lenders that you recommend? I personally suggest getting two to three different people. The reason being because you want to interview multiple people while they're going to ask you questions. You're interviewing them too. It's a two-way process. Remember that. So the things that I look for and I feel that are extremely important when I said it's very important to me is, does the loan officer take the time to learn and understand your situation, first and foremost? And what I mean by that is they can't make a recommendation on the best loan product for you unless they understand everything of what you're trying to do. Maybe you want to retire in 20 years and things are going well, so you could take a 15-year mortgage and pay it off. So when you're retired, you don't have a housing payment. Maybe you're going to get married and expand your family, and your goals to have, a big family, three, four kids. Well, if you're buying a house that's only two bedrooms, then chances are you're going to move up, right? So, understanding and knowing these things and having just a conversation to even get just a different opinion, I think is important. But also, you want to have a level of trust with that person. Sometimes you see the stereotypical loan officers in the bank, suit and tie, like, I mean, look at me, right? Um, I'm not in that gear, but I just choose to be more comfortable. But um, I think there's a level of comfort with the person that you're talking to. You're going to be sharing documentation with them. You're entering into a huge financial transaction with them. So you ultimately have to feel comfortable with them. And if you talk to this person and you don't get a level of comfort or something doesn't feel right, then it probably isn't. I will tell you that most loan products that we offer, they're the same. Um, there's nothing really tricky out there. What it comes down to is your level of comfort and are they putting you first above their own needs? I mean, closing on time, communication, those types of things should be expected. So I don't feel that those are differentiators at all. Um, I feel that it's something that you should expect from a person, but you're going to understand that when you talk to them right away. Do they do what they say? Did they follow up with you right away? After they said they do it, did they send you that email? Um, those types of things, and I think that's extremely important before you even go down the road of choosing someone. And once you do, um, choose someone or that you feel that you're comfortable with, ask them, will you approve my loan before I find a home to purchase? And, in the industry, we call that TBD, meaning the property's to be determined. Not everybody will, because it does bog down their pipeline and their flow of volume because if they underwrite your file, there's no guarantee you're going to go with them. Well, that's to their benefit. That's not to your benefit. So they want someone with a contract. Hey, we're only going to approve this person because they've already found a house. They've done their work. Well, again, is that to your benefit? No, it's not. I will tell you that, just speaking for my company, we approve people all the time before they find a property to finance, because it takes down the level of stress, but it also gives them time. They have time to find a house and get what they want, and they know what they can afford. So it makes the process much easier. But not everybody's willing to do that, and um, I think that's a great disservice because it's not in your benefit, it's in my benefit to say I'm only going to work with people that I know that are serious and that are committed. but that's not helping people, and that's not what it's about. You're supposed to help them to get finance and put them in the best possible situation that they can, to enjoy their home, but also to succeed and build wealth. So, it's very, it's something that you need to be aware of. But I would definitely, in closing, I hope you found this information useful. But interview multiple people, loan officers, talk to them, ask them questions, see if they take the time to understand your situation. If they don't, it's probably a sign right there. Um, but also see if they'll pre-approve you to, or not pre-approve you, if they will approve you, excuse me, prior to you finding a property. And if they say no, um, just understand you're rolling the dice because a pre-approval is like a credit card offer. You get it in the mail, it says you're pre-approved, but you still have to apply, and until you apply and it's approved, you're not approved. Same thing with a pre-qualification. So be aware. I hope you found this information useful. If you do, please subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments, whatever it may be, and talk to you soon. Thank you very much.